Hello guys! Welcome to another short vlog. Charot! At sasagutin natin yung... Ang dami kasing nagtatanong guys, kaya kinonfirm ko mismo. And yung tanong ay, my home visit ba si One Hand? So tinanong ko si One Hand mismo ha. Like si One Hand mismo kung may home visit sila. Kasi daming nagtatanong guys. By the way, this is Ate Red and I review online loan platforms with financial literacy in mind. So yung goal natin is responsible borrowing para makaulit tayo. Para pwede tayong umutang sa mga, magkaroon tayo ng better opportunity sa mga utang. That's why we need to be responsible borrowers. And this is still related sa kung may home visit ba or hindi. Anyways, to answer that question, bago may magreklamo, ang dami kong daldal. So, it's confirm mga beshies. Si One Hand mismo, taga One Hand mismo, yung nagsabi sa akin na wala po silang home visit. Kahit nasa NCR man, wala silang home visit. They don't do that. Bago kayo magpalakpakan dyan mga bes, keep this in mind. Because One Hand is SEC registered and it reports to CIC. CIC is Credit Information Corporation na siya yung tumatanggap ng lahat ng information natin as borrowers. So kahit na hindi ka bisitahin ni One Hand, tantanan ka ni One Hand dahil napagod na siya sa kaka-follow up sa'yo, dahil hindi ka nakapagbayad or OD ka, baka maapektuhan naman ito yung mga future loan applications mo. Sayang naman kung later magkaroon ng bagong legit na taas yung offer, mababa yung interest, pero hindi ka ma-approve dahil meron ka palang OD kay One Hand na na-report sa CIC. And it's not just One Hand, guys. The same is with other online loan platforms that report to CIC. For example, si Tala, si Belize, and other loan platforms na reporting sa CIC. So, kahit na walang home visit yung isang OLA, okay, kapag ito ay reporting sa CIC, yung ating information as borrowers, kasi yun yung magiging part ng ating credit history tsaka ng ating credit report. Kaya kung may ganon, may negative report tayo, nako, wag na tayong magtaka kung bakit hindi tayo ma-approve sa kung may bagong legit or may bago tayong gustong applyan kasi may epekto.